Canadian mining firm Barrick Gold saw its shares climb almost 2% in the U.S., and that's after announcing fourth quarter profits that beat analysts' estimates. Now, the gold miner says it more than doubled its free cash flow in the quarter. Its earnings got a boost from higher gold prices, with its average realized prices rising to $2,657 per ounce from $1,986 per ounce last year. Now, the firm also announced a new $1 billion share buyback program, but it did lower its gold output forecast, and that's following the temporary closure of its mine in Mali. And Ethiopia's state-owned telecom firms, EthioTel, has reported a more than 40% rise in its 2024 half-year revenues to $491.57 million. Now, its profit before tax during the period rose more than 60%. The company revealed that subscribers to its mobile money transfer service, Telebirr, grew to over 51 million from 41 million in the previous period, and it is now handling transactions worth almost $8 billion. EthioTel launched an initial public offering in October to sell a 10% stake in the firm, and that's as the government looks to divest its majority stake in the company. Meanwhile, Brazilian state-owned oil firm Petrobras says that it wants to buy stakes in African oil assets. The firm is looking to enter mainly in Angola, Namibia, and South Africa's market. Now, the energy firm revealed that it is in talks with companies, including existing partners ExxonMobil, Shell, and Total Energies, as it looks to buy a share of their African assets. The firm is seeking to boost its reserves as it expects output to fall after 2030. It hopes to produce 2.8 million barrels per day this year, and it has plans to raise that to 3.1 million by 2029. And finally, Chinese tech giant Baidu plans to release the next generation of its artificial intelligence model in the second half of this year. Now, Baidu was the first major Chinese tech company to roll out a ChatGPT-like chatbot called Ernie back in 2023. While CNBC reports that the new Ernie 5.0, which is called a foundation model, is set to have big enhancements in multimodal capabilities. Now, that means it can process texts, videos, images, and audio to combine them, as well as convert them across categories. The planned update comes as DeepSeek shakes up the market. And that's a look at our corporate highlights this Wednesday.